and welcome to NewsLink Indiana Weather. This is weather forecaster Natalie Fitzpatrick with your Monday web update. The main talk in the weather world right now is Hurricane Iota. It's expected to reach Category 5 as it makes landfall in Nicaragua tonight, really impacting Central America with heavy rainfall and strong winds. A Category 5 on our Stafford-Simpson scale means it's reaching winds of above 157 miles per hour, making really windy conditions. That hurricane is expected to lose strength as it does reach over landfall tomorrow, dropping down to a Category 3. But as it makes landfall tonight, reaching really high winds and heavy precipitation in Central America. This hurricane is really record-breaking because the previous year in 2005, there's a previous record of 28 named tropical storms. But this year we've experienced 30 tropical storms with Hurricane Iota. And this is really another major hurricane because it is a Category 5, which we don't see this much for this November time of year. Nothing really experiencing really drastic weather like hurricanes here in Muncie. We are seeing just a little rainfall moving over to the north, really scattered showers, nothing really to worry about. As today has gone on, we have had a cold front move to the north of our area, bringing those colder temperatures that we have seen today, and that wind that has been a little windy, higher today as the day has gone on. 48 degrees here in Muncie right now with cloudy conditions and that southwest wind at 8 miles an hour. Here we're at that 48 degrees here in Muncie, 50 down in Indianapolis, and 47 degrees in Shelbyville as well. Overall, we're sitting in that upper 40s to 50 range right now, making it for a little warmer, but it is going to feel a little colder because we have these gusting winds. And as we time out these gusting winds tonight, we're going to reach in the 30s, possibly as gusting winds out from the west, and 28 miles per hour gusting winds by midnight tonight. Those winds are expected to die off into Tuesday morning. But these higher wind values overnight is meaning we're experiencing lower wind chill values. We're going to make it feel really cold than it actually is. 32 degrees in Portland and making it feel like 32 in Muncie. And as the night does progress, those wind chills are expected to drop down into the 20s as well. And by the time you're leaving for work in the morning, it's going to reach 22 degrees wind chill in Muncie. So if you're leaving tomorrow morning for your commute, you want to make sure you bundle up in that heavier winter coat, a hat, and a scarf because it is going to be really chilly as you're heading out tomorrow. As the day does go on, those wind chill values are going up a little bit. But there are going to experience breezy conditions tomorrow, so you are going to want to have, it's actually going to feel colder than it really is tomorrow. Tonight, however, we're going to reach 34 degrees with partly cloudy conditions as the night does progress with that southwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour, but it is really going to be gusty conditions, so it is going to feel colder than that as the night does go on. For tomorrow, however, we're going to see really great conditions with 43 and mostly sunny conditions, that wind dying off a little in the morning with a west-northwest wind at 10 to 15 miles an hour. Those winds are expected to come back into our forecast tomorrow evening. Timing out this temperature change for you. Tomorrow night at 6 p.m. it's going to be 35 degrees here in Muncie, and those temperatures are expected to drop down into the 20s your Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, making it feel really cold for your Tuesday night and leaving for your Wednesday commute in the morning. Those temperatures are expected to rise by the time you're leaving work tomorrow and Wednesday and reach 41 degrees there in Muncie. At mid-7-day forecast, we can see really cool conditions for the beginning of the week, but by Thursday, reaching into 60 with breezy conditions still sticking around. And for this weekend, we're going to see another chance of rain come into our forecast Saturday evening into Sunday. And if you want to find out more, please ask at NLI Weather on Twitter